Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2013 ECE paper, and this question is related to digital circuits. There are 4 chips each of 1024 bytes connected to a 16-bit address bus as shown in the figure. RAMs 1, 2, 3, 4 respectively are mapped to addresses. What are the addressing of each RAM? Okay. So what was given is nothing but each RAM chip is consisting of 1024 bytes. 1024 is nothing but we can write it as 1024 bytes. 1024 bytes implies nothing but 2 power 10 bits. That implies nothing but 10 address lines. The 10 address lines is nothing but A9 to A0 are going to be used to represent location of each memory location in RAM. So actual memory location of RAM can be represented with 10 address lines. Those 10 address lines are given as A0 to A9. Look at this one. A0 to A9 is going to be connected with all 4 RAM chips. That is nothing but actual address is going to be used from this A0 to A9, and other address lines from A10 to A15 are used to select a particular RAM chip. The other select lines A10 towards A15 are going to be used to select which out of these 4 RAMs is going to be selecting. Okay, for that one there is a demultiplexer is used. This is called as demultiplexer, which is going to be selecting one of the output based on the control signals. That is nothing but based on the select lines. So if 0 0 RAM 1 is going to be selected, if 0 1 RAM 2 is selected, 1 0 RAM 3 selected, 1 1 RAM 4 is selected. So what can be the address of each RAM location for RAM 1, RAM 2, RAM 3, RAM 4? So we can go like this. Okay, so assume that one, this is starting address, and this is ending address, starting address and ending address, and we are going with the total number of address lines. Okay, so we will go with a little straight. Total address lines, they are going to be given as A15, A14, A13, A12, A11, A10, A9, A8, A7 to A0. This is what given. A7 to A0 I am directly indicating, A8, A9 also it is indicating. Starting address implies nothing but always RAM starting address is nothing but all 10 address lines must be zeros. So this is 0 0. A9 to A0 is nothing but it is 0 0, and that is, and A7, A8, A9 must be of 0 zeros. So this is A7 to A7 all zeros. Remember in that way. Next, ending address is nothing but whenever all are with ones. So all are with ones. So this is what you are going to get, starting address and ending address, and you must find what will be the values for the A15 to A10 such that to select a particular RAM chip. Okay, now if you are looking at this one, S1 S0 are going to be connected with, S1 is going to be connected with A13 and S0 is connected with A12. So S0 and S13 is nothing but S1. So in starting address also you have to indicate that one, in ending address also you have to indicate that one. Next, the input will be connected to the RAM location. Whenever input is nothing but, here it is AND gate, we will assume that one, the input is present whenever it is at logic 1. So to get an AND gate logic 1, by that time all inputs for the AND gate must be at logic 1. So to get all inputs at logic 1, that is nothing but, this is inverter, so A10 must be 0 and A11 is directly connected, so that A11 must be 1. A12, A13 are connected to S1, S0, so we don't touch that one. A14 is nothing but other inputs. A14 is 0, A15 is 0. So these are going to be standard values which are connected as input for this decoder. So that A15 has to be always 0, whether it is starting or ending address, since it is used to select the chip Okay, and A11 A10 is going to be A11 is 0, A10 is 0, sorry, A11 is 1, A11 is 1 and A10 is 0, A11 is 1, A10 is 0. So now I will write the starting address. Okay, starting address, starting address is going to be, you can write it as A15 to A12 is nothing but, directly I am writing that one, 0 0 S1 S0, and later the other 3 bytes are going to be constant. Starting address is nothing but, these 4 are going to be 8 and these are 0 0, so this is 800 is nothing but starting address. Okay, these are in the byte form and they are in the bit form, assume that one. Okay, so I can write in this way. So I can write in this way, these are nothing but A11 to A0, and these are A15 to A12. So this is A15, A14, A13, A12, A13, A12. Okay, so 00 S1 S0 are bits, whereas 800 are nothing but, in terms they are in the decimal form, A11 to A0. And ending address can be the same thing, 00 S1 S0, and here it is, what you are going to get is nothing but all ones, which is nothing but FFF, sorry, this is 1011. Ending address for this one is nothing but, A11 is 1, A10 is 0, and A9 is 1 1, that is nothing but, here it is 1011, which implies nothing but B, and all ones is nothing but FF, so it is BFF. This is B, this is BFF, that is the ending address is nothing but BFF. So 00 S1 S0 800 is the starting address, 00 S1 S0 BFF is the ending address. So for RAM S1 S0, what will be the RAM selected? Okay, so if you are going with S1 S0, by that time the selection, what you are going to select is, if it is 00, RAM 1 is selected, you can write RAM over here, this is RAM 1 is selected. If it is 01, RAM 2 is selected. If it is 10, RAM 3 is selected. If it is 11, RAM 4 is selected. RAM 4 is selected. So based on this one, starting address of RAM 0, RAM 0 is nothing but S1 S0 or 00, so that starting address is nothing but 08002 0BFF. And for RAM 1, the address is, for RAM 1, S1 is 0, S0 is 1, that is nothing but 01, so 0001 it will become, 0001 is nothing but 1, 18002 1 BFF, because S1 S0 is nothing but A30, A12 and A13. So if you are going to be substituting those values, what you will get is higher nibble as 1. And for RAM, this is RAM 1 and this is RAM 2, this is RAM 3. RAM 3 is nothing but, now it is 28002 2BFF. And RAM 4, is nothing but 38002 3BFF. So this 3 how you are getting is nothing but from this higher nibble A15 to A13. By that time you are substituting S1 S0 values, so that you will get this situation. So the right answer for this question is nothing but D, 08000 BFF, first, second, third, fourth RAMs. Okay, thank you.